Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss the summative test reviewer for Science 3, Quarter 3, Week 1 to 2. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils to review for their weekly test or summative test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What do we call a push or a pull that can make an object move? A. Friction. B. Gravity. C. Force. D. Weight. The correct answer is letter C. Number 2. Which of the following is an example of a push? A. Opening a door. B. Pulling a rope. C. Drawing a picture. D. Catching a ball. The correct answer is letter A. Number 3. Which of the following is an example of a pull? A. Pushing a cart. B. Throwing a ball. C. Opening a drawer. D. Kicking a ball. The correct answer is letter C. Number 4. What happens when you push an object? A. It moves toward you. B. It moves away from you. C. It disappears. D. It becomes lighter. The correct answer is letter B. Number 5. What do you call moving air that can make objects move? A. Friction. B. Wind. C. Water. D. Heat. The correct answer is letter B. Number 6. Which of the following can make an object move? A. Sound. B. Light. C. Wind and water. D. Color. The correct answer is letter C. Number 7. Which of the following causes a sailboat to move? A. The waves and wind. B. The captain's voice. C. The sun's light. D. The anchor. The correct answer is letter A. Number 8. Which force causes a water wheel to turn? A. The push of water. B. The pull of gravity. C. The wind's pressure. D. The hand's strength. The correct answer is letter A. Number 9. What can we use to make a pinwheel move? A. Electricity. B. Wind. C. Fire. D. Water. The correct answer is letter B. Number 10. Which of the following statements is true about force? A. Force can only make an object stop. B. Force can make an object move, stop, or change direction. C. Force has no effect on movement. D. Force makes objects lighter. The correct answer is letter B. Directions. Write if the statement is true or false. Number 11. A rough surface makes objects move faster. This statement is false. Number 12. A smooth surface makes objects move easily. This statement is true. Number 13. The heavier an object is, the harder it is to move. This statement is true. Number 14. A small and light object moves faster than a big and heavy one. This statement is true. Number 15. Wind and water can both move objects. This statement is true. Number 16. The shape and size of an object affect how it falls. This statement is true. Number 17. Crumpled paper falls faster than flat paper. This statement is true. Number 18. Parachutes help people land safely by slowing down their fall. This statement is true. Number 19. A heavy cart is easier to push than an empty one. This statement is false. Number 20. The position of an object can be described using reference points like in front of, under, or beside. This statement is true. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.